Children, today we are going to learn the next lesson in maths, that is lesson number 3, addition. So children, addition means adding the numbers. For example, just imagine that there are 5 pencils in your pencil box. Okay children? If your mother gives 4 more, how many pencils do you have now? Yes children, there are 5 pencils in your pencil box. If your mother gives 4 more, how many pencils do you have now in your pencil box? Yes, we have to add it. So that is, you have 5 pencils already and you got 4 more pencils. So 5 plus 4. How you are going to add it? 5 in mind, 4 in hand. Yes, so after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have 9 pencils. This is how we add the numbers. So in lower classes you have learned the addition of numbers of 1 digits, 2 digits and 3 digit also. Now let us learn to add 3 digits and 4 digit numbers. Look at your textbook. Here one example is given, that is how to add 3 digit numbers. Tanvi has 637 beads. So children, here the numbers are shown by making different pictures. So look at here, that is hundreds are made by using a purse. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 6 purses of 100 beads each. Okay, and that is 600, and there is a string of 10 each. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. So it is 30 beads, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads. So all together we have 637 beads. So it is said that Tanvi has 637 beads, and here Sanvi has 574 beads. So here the purse of 100 beads given, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 500, and 7 strings are given. Each has 10 beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 70 beads, and 1, 2, 3, 4 extra single beads are given. So while adding these two, that is 637 plus 574, first we are going to add the units place. So here we have 7 beads, and here you have the 4 beads. So 7 plus 4 becomes 11. So 11 means what? 1 10 can be taken out of that. So that is, it becomes 110 here and 1 unit is left out. Okay. So when we are adding tens, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one more we got from here. So it became 11 tens. Okay. So 11 tens means there we have 100. So 100 will take to this group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus 100. So it is 1200, 110 and 1 units. So when you add 637 plus 574, we get the answer 1211. So this is how in the picture form it is shown, but when we are adding by writing it one below the other. Now let us solve the sums. Children, add the numbers horizontally. So first let us learn to add the number horizontally. Horizontally means it is sleeping line. Okay. So the first example I have written 34 plus 25. 34 plus 25. So you know that while adding numbers, first we have to start with the units place, then 100. So here 2-digit numbers are given. So while adding horizontally, we have to write. So this is units place, this is tens place, this is units, and this is tens. So while adding these numbers, first we will start the units place and the units place. So add these two. 5 plus 4. What is the answer? 5 plus 4 is 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next we are adding tens and tens. So these two are in tens place. 2 plus 3, it is 5. 2 plus 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 59. Okay children, this is how we are adding the numbers horizontally. Now look at the next example. 3-digit number is given. So 3-digit plus 3-digit. So we have here units, tens and hundreds. Here also units, tens and hundreds. So first we have to add the units place. Unit of this number and unit of this. So it is 5 plus 1, that is 6, and 3 plus 4, that is 7. 3 plus 2, that is 5. So when 3-digit number is given, you have to start from unit. Unit and unit you will add first, then we will go to tens and tens, then hundreds and hundreds. Is that clear children? Yes. Now in the similar way, here the 4-digit number is given. So let us add it. So unit to unit. 9 plus 0. Any number added to 0 is always the same number. So 9 plus 0 is 9, and 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 3 plus 5. It is after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8. And next comes 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So children, in this way we are adding the numbers horizontally. So while adding the numbers horizontally, the first thing you have to keep in mind is you have to start from unit and you have to add the unit of the other number. Unit plus unit, tens plus 10, hundreds plus hundreds, thousands plus thousand. Is that clear children? So this is how we are adding the number horizontally. Now let us learn how to add vertically, that is by arranging the numbers vertically. Vertical arrangement means one below the other. So here 4-digit numbers are given. So the number has 4 digit means unit, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay. So let us write the number. So the first number, the question here is 2401 plus 5395. So let us write the number here. 2401 2401 plus, put a plus sign, 5395. 5395. So while adding these numbers, you have to start from the units place. So this you have to keep in mind. Always we have to start from the units place. So let us add it. 1 plus 5. 1 in mind and 5 in hand. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here comes 6. Next 0 plus 9, that is 9. Then 4 plus 3. After 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. So the answer we got 7796. Is that clear? So this is how we are arranging the number vertically and adding. Now look at the next question. 5300 plus 4698. So 5300 plus 4698. So children, while adding, we will start from units place. 0 plus 8. Any number added to 0 is the same number. We get the answer, the same number. So it is 8. 0 plus 9 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. And 5 plus 4 is also 9. So the answer 9998. So here the next number we have 18,196 plus 1,803. So children, here this is a 5-digit number and this is a 4-digit number. So if this type of sum is given, you have to be very careful while writing the sum. So 18,196 means it is a 5-digit number. So it will come starting from the 10,000s place. So 18196. 18,196 plus 1,803. So in which place 1000 will come? It will come in the thousands place. So you have to write here 1803. So let us add this 6 plus 3 from units place. So 6 plus 3 means 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. And 8 plus 1 is 9. here we have 1 and no digits in the 10,000s place in the second number. So, if you put 0 here, there will be no confusion. So, 1 plus 0 is 1. So, this is how we are adding the numbers, that is one number is of 5 digit and the other one is of 4 digit. So, you have to be very careful while writing the numbers. Next question, 16,000 plus 7,000. Here also we have the 5 digit plus 4 digit. So, let us write it 16,000 16,000 plus 7,000 7000. So, in the 10,000s place there is no number. So, if you want you can put a 0. So, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 here 0 and 6 plus 7. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Yes. So, then comes 1 carry over. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. So, this is a carry over sum. We are going to learn it in the next page. Now, children, addition with carrying over. Now, look at the sum here. 3,346 plus 1,932. So, these two numbers we are going to add. So, see here in the units place we have 6 and 2. So, 6 plus 2, 7, 8. It is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. After 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 plus 3 or 3 plus 9. So, 9, 10, 11, 12. Correct? So, 12 means we are writing here 12. So, children, 2 will come in this place and 1 is a carry over. So, you have to take this to thousands place. So, this is how we are showing the carry over, that is 3 plus 9 is 12. So, it is a 2 digit number, but we are going to write only 2 here and 1 we are going to carry over. So, it will go in the thousands place. This number will add to these numbers. So, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So, the final answer 8, 7, 2 and 5. So, this is how we are going to add the numbers with carrying over. So, here there is no need to show again with arrow mark every now and then. This is for one example I have shown to you. Now, look at this sum here. 5,834 plus 3,246. So, children, in the units place we have 4 plus 6. So, 4 plus 6 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10 will come here. So, instead of writing 10, we will write only 0 here and 1 will carry over to the tens place. Is that clear? There is no need to write 10 here. We can directly write 0 and then 1 you can carry over to the tens place. Now, you add these numbers. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 8 plus 2, 9, 10. So, here also we are getting 2-digit number, but we are going to write only 0 here, and 1 we are carrying over to tens place. So 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1 carry over, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. So this is how we are going to add the sums with carrying over. Yes children, now let us solve few more examples so that you will be thorough to solve this type of sums. 7,859. So these are 4-digit numbers, plus 8,546. So where we are going to write it? We are going to write in the thousands place. 7, 8, 5, 9 plus 8, 5, 4, 6. 8,546. So children, while writing the numbers, you have to be very careful. Write the correct question. Then only you will get the correct answer. So, give space for writing the carryovers. Okay. So, now let us add the numbers. Now here, 9 plus 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, 5 will come here and 1 we are going to carry over. Now, 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 4 is 10. So, 0 here, 1 carry over. So, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 4 and 1 carry over. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. So, 6 here and 1 will be the carry over. So, it will come here. So, in the 10,000s place we are getting 1. So, the final answer here is 16,405. Okay children. Similarly, we can solve this sum. It is a 5-digit number and it is a 4-digit number. So, 5-digit means it will come in the 10,000s place. 8, 8, yes, 8,888. 88,888 plus 4,576. So, 4,576, a 5-digit number plus a 4-digit number. So, 8 plus 6 is 9, 10, 14 and 1 carry over. 8 plus 1, 9, 10 plus 6, 16, 1 carry over, 9, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 1. So, it is 9 plus 10 and 13 and 1 carry over, 1 plus 8 is 9. Is that clear children? So, this way we can add a 5-digit number and a 4-digit number also. Now, next here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit plus a 3-digit. So, let us write the number 88,709 plus 165. So, you will try to add this. So, 9 plus 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 4, then 1 carry over. 1 plus 0 is 0 and 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 6 is 7. Yes children, 1 plus 0 is 1 and then 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 8 and there is no number here, it is 0. So, 8 plus 0 is 8, again 8 plus 0 is 8. Similarly, here a 5-digit number is given and a 4-digit number is given. So, 2, 7, 0, 9, 5 plus 4,807. So, 5 plus 7 is 12, 1 carry over, 1 plus 9 is 10, 1 carry over, 1 plus 8 is 9, 7 plus 4 is 11 and 1 plus 3 is 3. Is that clear children? So children, next add the following numbers horizontally. Keep the carryover in your mind. So children, in the first we have learned how to add the numbers horizontally, but here the horizontal numbers, here we have the carryovers also. So when this type of sum is given, you have to keep the carryovers in mind and add to the next number. So let us add unit and unit. This is unit and unit. 27,005 plus 1,238. So here 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So in 13 children, here you have to write 3 here and 1 you have to keep in mind. So you have to add to the next number. So here in the tens place we have 0 plus 3, that is 3 plus 1 carryover, that is 4. Okay. Next hundreds place and hundreds place. 2 plus 0, that is 0. And then thousands place and thousands place. 1 plus 7 is 8. And there is no number in 10,000s place here, but only here you have 2. So we are going to write 2. So is that clear children? This way we are writing the numbers in the horizontal, adding and writing horizontally. Next, see the next sum. 49,084 plus 36,315. So let us add unit and unit. 5 plus 4, 9. Next 8 plus 1, 9. Then 0 plus 6 is 6. 3 plus 9, 10, 11, 12. So we will write 2 and we will carry 1 carry over here. So here no fifth digit over here. So here 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 1 is 5. Now go to the next sum. 92,009 plus 429. So here 9 plus 9, 18, 1 carry over, 2 plus 0, 0, plus 1, 3, 4 plus 2, 6 and 9 is there in the thousands place. Next sum, 2 plus 5, 7, 5 plus 2, 7 and 1 plus 3, 4 and no 4 digit here, we will write 0 and no 5th digit, so we will write here 5. So children, in this way we are solving the addition sums horizontally and also vertically. So practice these sums at home, so you will become thorough while solving the